Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I get to open up door number 18 with the sequins. Oh, I need to stop calling them sequins. They are not sequins, they are smooth discs, or maybe not. You know, now that I'm thinking about it, these are the smooth discs, and I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see kind of the edge of them. They are truly smooth. It's kind of like day number 9 here. They do have kind of beveled edges. So I don't know if they're calling these smooth discs or not. If I do know by the time I upload this video, I guess I will correct that in the description. But I think that these are awesome because, again, like I said in day number 9, the glue's not going to pop out the top like a typical sequin would. And this blue color is gorgeous. I have gotten sequins this color from Spellbinders before, and they're so pretty. So I can't wait to use these again and again. Sequins kind of just last a long time. Even though I use a ton of them on projects, they tend to last because there's so many in a little package. Anyway, there's day number 18. And let's see what's behind door number 19 tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.